Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the LCD screen on this MSI laptop. If you follow my channel, you're probably thinking, hey, wait a minute, Davey, you already did that. And that's true, I did. I'll put the link in the upper right corner for the YouTube people, and I'll put the link in the description below for the Rumble people. However, this is a bring back. I didn't notice it, but there was a dead pixel in the screen, and there was a really tiny black dot. I'm going to roll in a shot of what that black dot looked like. If you look inside the cursor, you can see the black dot. It's really hard to pick up. I never would have noticed it if it wasn't pointed out to me. But that's just indicative of some of the quality of the parts that we're getting. Quality control is not always up to snuff, so you really have to check your parts carefully when you get them in. I'm not going to do a how-to on this because I already have shown how to do it in the video. I'm just going to install it off camera, and then I'll turn it on, and I'll see if I could find any more defects in the replacement. The vendor was very nice about replacing it. They were prompt and courteous, and they wanted me to show them a picture of what it looked like, and that's the picture I have up here that I just showed you. And they also wanted me to ship it back, so they didn't pay for the return. I had to pay $13 to ship it back, but they did send me a new replacement, and I'm going to install it and see how it works. I did a Google search to see if I could find a white test screen, and I went to a link that said there's a black test screen for showing dead pixels, and I don't know how that's going to work because the dead pixel was black. But anyway, I'm on that black screen. I see nothing. I'm going to go find the white screen. Here's something called dead pixel test. Looks like you have to download something. Let's see if I can find something else. Okay, this is a blue screen test. Didn't see any problems there. Here's the green screen test. I don't see any problems here. Here's a red screen test. Everything looks normal here. Here is the white screen test. Don't see any black dots here either. I think we're going to be okay. By the way, the URL for this screen test is whitescreentest.com. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.